Today I'm going to take you on a tour of my new listing here at 17748 Palmetto Pass Lane in Trails Edge in beautiful Babcock Ranch. If you're not familiar with it, Babcock Ranch is Florida's first fully solar powered community. And it is a fantastic community with a lot of amenities from pickleball, tennis, pools, and close by shopping. It is a unique community here, set about an hour from the beach, but you're close enough to everything that you want. Another thing that Babcock Ranch offers is convenient and rather quick access to Orlando and the theme parks in that area, Disney World, Universal, and of course Busch Gardens in Tampa Bay. So as you enter the home now, again, this is a attached villa, but as you're going to see as we walk through the house, it actually feels like a much bigger single family home. To the left here is the garage, nice good 2-car garage, and the laundry room. One complaint that a lot of people have when they are looking at attached villas and homes that are under 1,500 square feet is that the kitchens are very small and they don't have a lot of storage space. This home has an abundant amount of kitchen cabinets, counter space, and a very large pantry located right here. For this size home, this is a very good size pantry. One of the most commonly asked for type of floor plans is the open floor plan, where you have the dining area and the seating family area all in one. And this home, while only 1,417 square feet, offers a very large dining area with a very spacious seating area for entertaining of the family, Christmas time, Thanksgiving. You're not going to be bumping shoulders with this house. Whether you need a third bedroom or an office space, this home offers a very flexible space here in the third bedroom. It is a den or a bedroom, could also be a flex room where you have a pull-out couch, office space. It does have a closet, but it also has a pass-through directly to the bathroom for quick access for your guests. The primary bedroom is spacious enough for a king bed. The primary bathroom offers a very good-sized walk-in closet. For your morning coffee or outdoor enjoyment, the home offers a screened-in lanai. Well, there you have it, your tour of this attached villa in Trails Edge in the beautiful community of Babcock Ranch. This home is offered in the low 300s, and it's a perfect starter home for the young family, or for if you're looking for a second home or seasonal home here in Florida. This is a attached villa that is worth taking a look at. Give me a call today at 239-450-5786 and we'll schedule you a showing.